What is up, guys? So I am off today. I'm going to get some food for the wifey. Or she didn't have food for today. I'm still waiting for her text what she wants. Go grab her food and then come back here because we're doing an installation video. So I just got my Jeep roof rack. We're going snowboarding at Pennsylvania this month, so we needed more luggage room on the way to get some food. It's raining here in Virginia today. This sucks. I hate rain. I hate rain more than anything. I hate rain more than winter. So this is gonna be another rain vlog. Like I said earlier, wifey's at work. I'm off today. They don't want to give me hours. It's like, nah, we're pretty slow today. I do HVAC, so during winter, pretty slow. So I'm usually off Wednesdays or some random day. Sorry if my camera is shaky. If you guys don't know, my Jeep is manual, so I have to shift. But yeah, nice weather today. Psych! I'm still waiting on Abby because she hasn't texted me yet of what she wants to eat. I don't know, I might get her Chick-fil-A since she likes Chick-fil-A. So supposedly she texted me last night saying she didn't have food this morning. I mean, I don't know, sometimes maybe I don't listen or maybe I just miss things, but if I would have knew, I would have woke up early, got her food, so you didn't have to wait. I asked her what she wants. She said surprise me, so I'm gonna get her something good. I don't know, she likes Chick-fil-A, so I'm gonna get her Chick-fil-A. She's gonna be at work. She has a 7 to 7 shift today. I'm gonna give her a lot of food so she won't start later. Whoa, actually, you know what today is? Today is $1 pupusas at freaking this Spanish place. She loves, oh, there goes my gaslight. She loves pupusas. Sounds good. Here we are. So I'm not even about to bring this camera because every time I go here, they already stare at me because I'm Asian and I'm not Latino. I'm not gonna bring in my camera. I'm gonna run in there real quick and grab some pupusas. Man, that took forever, but I got the package now. I'm on my way to baby's work. We are here. Look at her tiny car. Hi, babe. Pupusas.
Oh, that's a surprise.
Can I press this?
No. Yes, other people, they're gonna think you're not doing anything. Thank you.
Bye, baby.
Bye, thanks for food.
Mission accomplished, y'all. So I'm gonna head home and I got shit on the lens. Install this roof rack. I'm trying to do a tutorial video on how to put this roof rack on this Jeep. I haven't seen anyone done this brand of roof rack on the Wrangler. I'm gonna try to videotape it. I'm excited for it. I've been waiting for so long to get it. I was kind of hesitant on buying the roof rack at first. It took me a good 2 months before I ordered it because my thing is I might get rid of the Jeep for a 4-door Jeep. I didn't want to buy more stuff for the Jeep and then I'll trade it in a few months. I mean, I don't know if I could transfer that roof rack on a Jeep. I mean, it's meant for a 2-door Jeep and I'm getting the new 4-door Wrangler JL. We'll see. I mean, I could always sell it, but I'm gonna lose money. So here's my roof rack. This is a EAG roof basket roof rack for 07 to 17 Jeep Wrangler Jackered 2-door. It's pretty big, so it's gonna add this much. I hope it fits. So this is heavy as F. So I got the front half of the roof basket, back part of the roof basket. Then we got some mounting plates. So this has like a textured black finish. So this is not gonna rust. For this installation, you're gonna need socket wrench, 13, 5/8 socket, a 10mm socket, some Allen head, and a flathead screwdriver. I'm Asian, yo. I need a step to reach this, but this is the first step. So basically, you just need a flathead. Take your flathead, snap this cover off. All right, there it is. Do the same on this side. Pretty easy. So I forgot I got a tripod, so I'm gonna take off Joby and replace it with the tripod. So once you guys take the cover off, you take out those 2 bolts with a 10mm socket, and take those 2 off with the same 10mm, but do one side at a time. The back window might come off if you take both of them off, so just do one side at a time. So once you get those 2 bolts out, take your bracket, put it right between the windshield bracket, just like that. And now you take the bolts that came out of the windshield bracket and you just put it back on. Make sure to screw it with your hands first to start the thread. Make sure not to cross thread it. Now you take your 10mm socket and your wrench and you tighten those. Make sure not to tighten it too much, just to where it's reasonably tight. I already put the other side on too. Now you take your back half of the rack and then you mount it on there. What you do next is you take your split washers. You need 4 of them on each side. Also 4 washers and also 4 nuts. You put all 4 washers first. Now take your split washers, put them on top of the washers, just like so. Now take your nuts, these nuts, not the other nuts. Get those bolts hand started. Now you're gonna need your size 13 socket and then tighten those up. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the front half of the basket and flip it over. Now you're gonna take the supplied Allen bolt and a washer. Put them together. Put the washer through the Allen bolt. Take these rubber stoppers. Put your Allen inside, like so. You have 2 of them, one on both sides. You put the rubber stoppers right here. Screw it in. You're gonna need an Allen head the size 532. Now you're just tying these onto the roof basket. We're taking the front half of the roof rack, place it on top. Now you're gonna take 2 hex bolts, 2 nuts, and 2 washers. Also 2 split washers. Alright, you can't do this with one hand. You put your split washer in first and then your washer. Put it into the 2 holes right here. Connect both of those and then you use your nut. Now you're gonna use a size 13 to tighten up the nuts. Now we're installing the front bracket of the roof basket. What you're gonna need with this is 4 hex bolt with a split washer and a regular washer. Then you're gonna need a size 13 socket. So you're gonna put the bracket right here. You put this on the roof channel and there's 4 holes right there. 4 holes right there. Put these bolts in there. 4 bolts. Now you got the roof channel mount on. Now you get the other mount. You're gonna need 3 Allen bolts with a split washer and a regular washer. You're gonna need 3/16 Allen to tighten these up. Now in order to put these on, it's gonna go like this. So it clamps down to the channel. I would crack the door open, line up the holes, put the 3 Allen bolts, and then tighten it up. There you have it. Now do the same on the other side. Boom. Final step is make sure everything is tight. Put the covers back on. Yep, it's not gonna fit in the garage. There you guys have it. That's how you install a EAG roof basket on a 2007 to a 2017 Jeep Wrangler JK 2-door. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like this tutorial on how to put on the EAG roof rack basket for a 2007 to 2017 Jeep Wrangler JK. If you guys like this video, please go ahead and give me that thumbs up, comment, let me know what you guys think about it. If you guys want to see more tutorial videos, you know, DM me on my Instagram link down below. See you guys on the next video, and hopefully I have Abby with me, make this install video a little bit easier. It took me about 3 hours to do this with me stopping and moving the camera all the time. Peace.